Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.4 Optional Sum question number 3. Optional exercise question number 3. Here the question is, a ladder has rungs 25 cm apart. The rungs decrease uniformly in length from 45 and at the bottom to 25 at the top. Now see, each rung has 25 centimeter apart, that is each rung is 25 centimeter apart. They have given the topmost is 25 centimeter, the topmost length is 25 centimeter and the bottom is 45 centimeter. The rung length is 45 centimeter. If the top and the bottom rung are 2.5 meter apart, the top and the bottom is 2.5 meter apart, what is the length of the wood required for the rung? So they have asked for the length of the wood, that is we need to add each, and because this is 25 centimeter, the next can be any number. Adding this everything will get the total length of the rungs. It's just the addition, so we need to find the SN. So they have asked for SN. As it is an addition of everything, we need to find SN. Now for that we want N. There is no any information. We don't know how many rungs are there. There is no information in the question. We need to find N. In the case of N, they have given each rung is 25 centimeter apart. Every rung is 25 centimeter apart and the total rungs are 2.5 meter. Here it is meter, but here it is centimeter. We need to change this to a meter. Now let me ask you one question. This is my own question. This is not anything related with the question given here. Now there are 4 students sitting. I tell you there are 5 meter distance of each students. What will be the total number of total length is 15, because each students are seated in 5 meter apart. The total length will be equal to 15 meter. If I divide with this number, if I divide the total with the in between gap, I get number 3. But here there are 4 students sitting, so we need to add 1. The same way we are going to do here. We can't just divide the number to find how many students are here, but we need to add 1 because it is the in between gap we are selecting. The in between gap will be 1 less than the number of students. See, there are only 3 gaps, but there are 4 students. So to find the number of rungs, the total distance that the first one to the last one, the total distance, that is 2 1 by 2. This is in meter, we need to change into centimeter, so into 100 by the in between distance plus 1. So you need to remember this formula, why we are adding plus 1. This is the example for you. Now you can change to a mixed fraction to a improper one. If I change to 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into 100. So 2 5s are 10, 0 by 25. Here 25 2s are plus 1. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 will become 11. So n equal to 11. So number of rungs is equal to 11. We need to find the total length, that is S11. We need to find Sn formula equal to n by 2 into a plus l, because we know the last 25 first number and the last number, first length and the last length we will know. So you can directly substitute the formula in a and l. So n by 2 is 11 by 2 into 25 plus 45. 11 by 2 into 70, this becomes 35. So 35 into 11. So S11 equal to 385 centimeter, because we have changed to centimeter. So the total length of the wood is equal to 385 required for rungs is equal to 385 centimeter. That's all with the sum. Thank you.